Dividing the business without destroying it. A guide to divorce mediation for entrepreneurs. When a married couple shares ownership of a business, divorce can create serious disruptions not just in their personal lives, but within their company. Business operations, employee morale, client confidence, and investor relations may all be at risk. Divorce mediation offers a constructive alternative to courtroom battles, helping entrepreneurs protect their business while navigating a difficult personal transition. Legal aspects of business division in New York. Divorce. New York follows the principle of equitable distribution, which means marital assets are divided fairly, though not necessarily equally. If the business was started or grew during the marriage, part of its value could be considered marital property. The court evaluates when the business was founded, the involvement of each spouse, and whether separate and marital assets were mixed. This analysis becomes more complex with startups or family-run businesses, where informal agreements and hard-to-quantify contributions are common. During mediation, both spouses must disclose financial records including profit and loss statements, tax returns, and capitalization tables. Mediation also allows for more flexibility in accounting for intangible contributions, such as networking or administrative work, which a court may overlook. How divorce mediation protects business interests. Mediation allows entrepreneurs to shape outcomes in a way that supports continued business operations. With the help of neutral professionals, couples maintain control of decisions, unlike in litigation where a judge may impose terms. Mediation supports confidentiality and gives couples a chance to work through issues like valuation, equity division, and operational continuity. Engaging a neutral appraiser early can simplify negotiations by setting a shared understanding of the business's value. Methods like the income approach, market approach, or asset approach can be selected based on the business type. Mediation also considers intangible elements such as brand strength and enterprise goodwill, which may be counted as marital assets if developed during the marriage. Structuring equity division in divorce mediation. Buyouts and offset agreements are practical tools used to divide business interests without harming cash flow. Payment can be structured in installments, or the spouse not retaining the business may receive other assets of comparable value. In cases where transferring ownership poses risks, phantom equity or profit-sharing agreements allow financial benefit without formal ownership. Couples may also set vesting schedules for ongoing compensation tied to performance or milestones. This encourages cooperation and ensures smoother transitions. Tax implications must also be reviewed. Capital gains, income taxes, or gift taxes may apply depending on how assets are transferred. Mediation offers a chance to make informed decisions with legal and financial advisors present. What is divorce mediation for entrepreneurs? Divorce mediation for business-owning couples is a private, collaborative process where both parties work with a neutral mediator to resolve financial and operational issues. Unlike litigation, it allows for customized solutions that consider the unique dynamics of the business. The process includes clear communication planning to manage stakeholders, establishing temporary governance rules to avoid internal conflict, and addressing customer relationships to prevent disruptions. Spouses who continue working together post-divorce often need revised operating agreements. These outline new roles, responsibilities, decision-making processes, and conflict resolution mechanisms. They can include buy-sell agreements, valuation triggers, or mediation clauses for future disputes. Mediation also helps define communication protocols and manage emotional dynamics that might otherwise impact business operations. An effective mediation team typically includes a trained mediator, financial professionals, and legal counsel. A lawyer ensures the terms are legally sound and that each spouse's rights are protected. The role of an attorney here is vital, especially when the business structure is complex or when high-value assets are involved. A law firm experienced in both business and family law can provide the continuity and insight necessary to protect interests on both sides. To learn how divorce mediation can preserve your company and help you reach a fair resolution, contact the law office of Ryan Besinque. Call 929-251-4477 or visit us at 115 West 25th Street 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States.